Hey guys, today we are going to be testing 3D printed weapons. Okay. Let's start with a ninja star. Looking for the fastest one. Yo. I was thinking that has to be fake, right? Yeah, wait, how much is in that set though? Because only, okay. Which one do I want to print out? Stupid. I don't think we need one with 8 or one with 7. Probably not even 6. It's either this or this. What if I slice it? What's the time? Oh, only 35 minutes. You know what? Oh wait, I shift, not control. Wait, I just realized. Can't I just print it with multiple copies? Or do I have to be on mobile to do that? Because I know I can do that on mobile, but I'm not sure. And I'm just gonna start with these two. While we wait for those to be finished. Okay, it just started. We gotta. For a second, I thought these popsicle sticks. I was like, is it just like a picture or something? Okay. 8 hours now. I'm not feeling any of these songs. I might have to take the 24 hours on this. It's way more than 24. Also, I don't need those couple times. I just went on slow. How much is this? battering that did not feel like it should take. Yeah. Yes. That might be holding. Okay, let's do this. So when that finishes, we're gonna do this, and I'll see you when that other one finishes. Okay, so let's test them out. Yo, I didn't miss that. Yeah. Yo, yeah. Yo, I'm gonna crash out. Cause tell me how I missed that. Oh, just cause I'm like way too tall for the box, bro. Just. Yo, I can't pick it up, bro. Okay, I got it. I'm finna. Okay. Yo, at this point, it's not even me, bro. It's not even user error. What? Yo. Oh, it actually did some pretty decent damage. I don't know where the first one hit, but the second one. So this was the first one. Let's see if I can pierce through it. Yeah, I think the first one was just weak. Yeah. Oh, it pierced through it, but barely. So I wonder what the one that had 8 on it would be. I wonder how strong that one would be. Yo, I got it in. Let's see if I can get both in. No, I couldn't. Yeah. I'm gonna reprint like 50 of these and carry them whenever I go on a walk. Yo, I got them both in. So, these are the Ninja Stars. Let's see the damage. So, that right there. Here. Oh, it dented it. I'm pretty sure. Right here, but it didn't go all with it right there. And here and here. Oh, that's pretty good damage. So, I'll see y'all back in the next one. Let's see how much that one will do. We're back with the next weapon that we are going to be tested out. And this is also 3D printed. Okay. So it's basically brass knuckles, but it has a box cutter with it, so let's see how good it is. Yo, is that my normal punch or was that the brass knuckles? Normal punch is powerful, but yo, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. Okay, wait. Yo, the box cutting is not good. Probably because it's for like tape like this. Wait, let me put it down and see if it's good. If I'm not holding a phone. Okay. So yeah, it didn't really do good, but I was not expecting that to go so hard. I was not expecting to break it that much with the brass knuckles. They're not even actual brass. I can't even break it again because of this split in the middle. So, safe to say that if you see this on someone's hand, you probably don't want to mess with them. That's what I would say. And I'll see y'all at the next one. So, I think we could all notice the damage that it did on this. Did this, and it barely did this. I used partial of my hand to cut that, honestly. So the cutting mechanism is not good, but the knuckles are very good. So see y'all back in the next one. And we are back with the next weapon, which are another pair of brass knuckles. But I've been had these and I modified them like a month ago. So let's flip this box over. Okay, let's see what happens if I try and punch it midair. And I missed. Okay, wait. Oh, hit me in the face. Yeah. Okay, so I can't. Okay. Little bent. I still got the other brass knuckles. So I'm gonna see if I can hit this in midair too. Yup, it cut through. Okay, so these brass knuckles are pretty good, but these are their hand are pretty trash, honestly. Well, I'll see y'all with the next 3D printed weapon in a minute. And we're back with the next weapon, which are throwable knives. This reminds me of freaking Dagger from Marvel Rivals. Dude, we have to aim it straight at it. Yo, let's see if it would even work. Okay, throw daggers work. Oh, they're way too dull to actually throw, though. Oh, it pierced right there. Okay, let's just use them how they were not meant to be used, but work better using. Yeah. I want to actually try and throw it far away, though. I want to actually try. Can I? Or am I going to fail? Let's. Okay, we are in position. Did I Yo, that has to be like, a world record. Well, not a world record. Like, that has to be like hard or something. Yo. Wait. Let me. Yeah, that is like, how did I get that under there? Yeah. I'm finna crash out. Okay. Yeah, these are trash. They're good for stabbing, but they're way too small to actually stab. And good without getting hurt yourself if it was real combat. And they're this small because their use is to throw. So they can't even do what they were made for. No offense to whoever made this design, but I say make them a little bigger. But I mean, I'm pretty sure these were for just a design, honestly. Like, just to, like, hang around in your room or something. They did show it in a box, but everyone does that when it's weapons. Even when, just to, like, show cool things you can do with it. Like, that'd be a cool thing to put in my room, just as that. But, I think that might have been a little bit of user error. If I wanted to actually throw it, I probably should have sized it up. Yo, I don't see how this is gonna work. Yeah, wait. Maybe I just need to get up closer. You know, let's just... Yo, these don't work. Yo, I bent it. Yo. Is this an error on my fault? Is this an error on my part? Like, I don't see what I'm doing wrong here. I don't think it's working. Well, I'm back to this room, and this is where I'm going to be rating all of the weapons I used, quote unquote. So let's start with the most recent one I just used. Yeah, let's talk about the playing cards. That was a 0 out of 10, honestly. Honestly, like, I don't think they were gonna work no matter what I did, honestly. Not for these. The daggers, whatever you want to call them. They were like a solid like 3 out of 10. It would have been higher if it was like bigger and could actually stick into there, but it was pretty good for that. But also it was pretty small for hitting like this too. So yeah, like a 3. This one, I loved this one. Don't mess with me, fool. But I really like this one. I was not expecting how much power it was going to give, especially considering the fact that this is plastic and I can, break it like this if I wanted to. But then it snapped the whole box in half with just one punch. Only bad part is this too dull. It doesn't cut anything. It couldn't even cut out the tape. So I'd rate it honestly, like a solid 8. That's honestly pretty good though. These ninja stars, this one sucks, so I'm rating it separately. This one was about like a 4 out of 10, just because this one barely stuck in. This one was like, honestly, like a 7 out of 10, just because it's ninja stars and they're harder to like use and learn. But these ones with the 4, they stuck in pretty good. They did pretty solid damage, and I honestly think I had like more spikes on here if I did like the one with a lot of spikes. Like it had 8, I think, right? I genuinely think that I could have stuck it in there like way more often. So yeah, that is my rating. If you don't like it, you can go say that in the comment, but at the end of the day, that's my opinion. And if you want a second one of these, second video like this testing weapons, and I'll do it if we get to, I don't know, let's say 15 likes and 80 views. Deal. So I'll see y'all in the next one.